Kumusta ka? Welcome to my channel, Charissa and Kunanan Home Cooking. Are you ready to learn new recipe? As easy as frying egg and bacon, a hearty meal and a plating to make it more special. Learn to bake cookies and yummy cakes. Let's cook and bake with a happy heart. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Smile is free! Tara, simulan na natin!
Here's the ingredients that we will be using in making a sinigang na ulo ng salmon. 3 pieces of sili, kangkong, 5 pieces of okra, 5 cups of water, half a kilo of ulo ng salmon, 1 eggplant, 2 strips of string beans, ginger, 2 tomatoes, garlic and onion, optional, sinigang mix powder, a teaspoon of butter, a teaspoon of lemon zest with a bit of zest, and a teaspoon of salt. Let's begin! Okay, in our pan, let's put the butter. We'll put the butter. Ginger, put the ginger and the garlic and the onion. Next, the tomato. The string beans, the lady fingers, eggplant, the salt, mix, so we did this to have an additional twist in our sinigang. So in other sinigang, there's no need to saute the veggies. But for this one, we sauteed the veggies. Once we already sauteed the veggies, we can then now put our pink salmon tuna head. Let's put our lemon and the zest. And the 5 cups of water. Let's put our sili. Let's cover it for about 5 minutes and let it simmer. So, after 5 minutes, we can then now put our sinigang mix, sampalok mix. 1 sachet. And let's add our kangkong. Okay. So, let's cover it for another 3 minutes and then we're done. So, let's cover it for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, mix and let's taste. Yummy. So we're done. So later when you serve it, you can put some fish sauce on the side of the dish if some people like it with the sili and the fish sauce. Okay, so let's put it in the plate or bowl. And here's our sinigang na ulo ng salmon. Hope you like my cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!